Hello, my dear friends. Once again, A.S.S Science Foundation is here with a very inspiring success story of one of our student, Motati Mukhopadhyay. So she is from Calcutta and she did her B.SC from Calcutta University and Masters in Environmental Sciences from Vidyasagar University. And she was preparing in live online program for Grid Ecology and Evolution with us. And she qualified Great Ecology Evolution in the first attempt with a All India rank of 295. And now she is preparing dedicatedly for the upcoming interviews at all the IITs, I.S.S, and other places for the PhD program. So the entire team of A.S.S Science Foundations would like to congratulate her on such a remarkable feat. At present, Institute is offering the program such as GATE Ecology Evolution 2024, GATE Environmental Science and Engineering 2024 in online, offline mode and correspondence mode. Along with that, the institute is also offering the NET-JRF program in offline at Delhi Center, online live, correspondence with video and correspondence program along with the test series. The special batches have been conducted for the interview and SOP preparation with the expert at our center. Along with that, the institute is also providing the guidance for all the master's exams such as PGCUET, right? And the people who are willing to do their master's or the PhD program from US or Europe, they can also reach to our experts at our Delhi center or in the online sessions. So those who are interested, they can reach us for the following program as mentioned and the number given here through our web page or our Instagram page or our contacts. Once again, we would like to congratulate Mutati Mukhopadhyay for a remarkable feat and wish her good luck for the future PhD program. Thank you.